Hello student, today we are discuss about remaining part of the pair of straight line topic. Question is find the combined equation of line passing through the find the combined equation create करायची combined equation of the line passing through the origin each of which making an angle of 30 degree with the line 3x plus 2y minus 11 equals to 0. Okay, these are the equation. Find the combined equation of the line. Let the slope of the line, the slope of the line, which line 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. This equation slope find out करायचे. Compare this equation. Which equation? ax plus by plus c, by plus c equal to 0 and slope m equal to formula minus a upon b. Okay, this way to find out here m1 equals to minus a equals to value 3 by 2. Okay, these are the value. m1 equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, let m be the slope. Let m be the slope. Let m be the slope. One of the lines. One of the lines making an angle. Making an angle 30 degree. Okay. So m1 equals to minus 3 by 2. Let m be the slope one of the lines making an angle of 30 degree with the line with the line which line 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. Okay, see here this equation, this line passing through the origin and this line making an angle 30 degree with the this line making angle 30 degree and next find out the slope. Okay, here the angle between the lines, the angle between the lines having slopes m and m1 is 30 degree. M and m1 is 30 degree. Okay, this will find out the here formula is use tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, this standard formula use here tan theta equals to in this equation first here one slope is m and another slope is m1. M and m1 this slope point. This formula is using. So the next step is theta equals to value 30 degree. So here tan 30 degree equals to m1 means consider m here. M minus m1 upon 1 plus m1. Okay, these are the form. Tan 30 degree equals to m minus m1 and theta equals to here 30 degree and tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3. The next step, put the values of tan 30 degree 1 upon root 3 and get the calculation. Okay, the next step is 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. So m1 minus m2 means m minus m1. These are the m1 values. M find out करायचे next. M equals to value as it is m minus m1 equals to minus 3 by 2 upon 1 plus m into minus 3 by 2. Not complete. Then next step, here base and aggregate calculation here, similar type. Okay. The next step is 2m plus 3 divided by 2. Similar way, here 2 plus, next plus into minus 3m divided by 2. Then next step, 2 to get cancel, as it is 1 upon root 3. Next step is 1 upon root 3 equals to 2m plus 3 upon 2 minus 3m. Okay, these are the next step. So the next is squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, next step is 1 upon 3 equals to 2m plus 3 upon 2 minus 3m bracket square, कैसा square रखना है. Okay, 1 upon 3. next step 2m plus म्हणजे काय मिळणार आहे 4m square plus a plus b bracket square the formula use here and denominator a minus b bracket square. So the next step is 4m square plus 3 into 2 6 into 2 12m plus 9 whole divided by 4 minus here. Next step is 3 into 2 6 12m and plus 9m square. Okay, these are the, so the next step is calculation. This total term multiply by 1 and this 3 multiply by this equation. So the next step is here equal to 4 minus 12m plus 9m square equals to 3 into 4 12m square plus 12 into 3 36m plus 9 into 3 27. Okay, so these are the steps. So the next step is, so this term convert this side. Okay, next step is 12m square minus 9m square, 12m square minus 9m square, which 3m square, 36 plus 12, 48m plus 27 and minus 4 means plus 27 and minus means plus 23 equals to 0. Okay, the equation is 3m square plus 48m plus 23 equals to 0. These are the auxiliary equations. Okay, see here. So in this equation, m1 equal to slope, find out here. Next angle is here with the slope of the lines having making angle 30 degree. The angle between the lines having slope cm and m1. Tan theta equals to given formula. Okay, so put up the value theta equals 30 degree, m1 equals to m and m2 equals to m1 and get calculation. So these are the steps. Next step, squaring and get calculation. 3m square plus 48m plus 23 equal to 0. These are the auxiliary equations. These are the auxiliary equation. Okay, put m equals to y upon x. In auxiliary equation, the slope is x-axis. Put m equals to value y upon x. Okay, and the slope is the x, slope is the y-axis, put value m equal to x upon y. Okay, these are the important point. The slope is the x-axis. Slope is the x-axis. Here m equals to value, put y upon x. Okay. Okay, this value put m equal to y upon x in equation here. The equation mentioned here, equation number 1, put m equal to y upon x. Okay, find the combined equation is okay, m equal to y upon x in equation number 1 मध्ये value put up करा. Then next step, therefore 3 m equals to value y upon x bracket square plus here plus 48 y upon x plus 23 equals to 0. The calculation is next thing, y upon x bracket square, y square upon x square, 48 y upon x plus 23 equal to 0. The next step is 3 y square x square plus 48 y upon x plus 23 equal to 0. These are the equations. The next step, the base is different. The next step, base is equal, and then the dividing denominator term, convert this step, 0 into term get 0. Okay, this calculation complete here. Okay, see here, 3y square plus 48yx plus 23x square equal to 0, and whole divided by x square. This x square convert this side equal to 0. The next step is 23x square plus 48yx plus 3y square equal to 0. These are the combined equation. Okay, combined equation of the line. Okay, the next example is the angle between lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is equal to the angle between lines represented by equation 0 equal to 0. Then show that 100 in bracket h square minus ab equal to a plus b bracket square. Okay, these are the, show that these terms. Okay, so here angle between lines represented by equation is x square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Okay, and find out the values these. So in this example, the acute angle theta, okay, between the lines, between the line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. The form is therefore tan theta equals to 2 into mod h square minus ab upon a plus b. Okay, these are the form, and these are the equation number 1. Comparing the equation, which equation? 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This equation compare with this. So here a equals to value 2, 2h equals to value minus 5. comparing this equation with x square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, then the value is okay. Let alpha be the acute angle. Let alpha be the acute angle between the line which line? This line 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square equals to 0. So formula is similar way. Find out here the angle is changed only. Here theta and this equation angle is alpha. So next step is therefore tan alpha equals to formula as it is 2 into h square minus ab upon a plus b. So next step is put the values of the given equation. So value is a equals to 2, h equals to minus 5 by 2 and b equal to value 3. So put in this equation. The next step is 2 h equals to value minus 5 upon 2 bracket square minus a into b. A equals to value 2 into 3. Okay. Divide by a plus b 2 plus 3. Okay. So as it is, the next step is here tan alpha equals to value 2 into square root minus 5 by 2 bracket square means 25 divided by 4 minus 3 into 2 6 whole divided by 5. The next step is, so in this equation calculation is 20 calculation in this equation 25 minus 6 base is here. Next step 25 by 4 minus 6 base is here 1. So addition subtraction is 24 upon 4 divided by 5. Okay. The next step is 2 into square root 25 here. Okay. 25 minus 24 here 1 upon 4 in square root 4 divided by 5. The next step is tan alpha equals to 2 into square root 1 by 4. The 1 upon 1 by 4 outside the square root means 2 into half 4 divided by 5. In this step 2 get here cancelled. The final value is tan alpha equals to value 1 upon 5. Okay. These are the equation number 2. Okay. Here tan theta equals to this value equation number 1, and the next acute angle alpha between the lines is this equation 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square equal to 0. So compare tan alpha equals to value or put here. The final answer tan alpha equals to 1 upon 5. Okay. The next is here equation number 2 is theta equals to alpha. Then tan theta equals to tan alpha. Tan theta equals to tan alpha. So next step is here tan theta equals to value and tan alpha equals to value 1 upon 5. So from equation 1 and 2, so right here 2 into h square minus ab upon a plus b equals to value 1 upon 5. Okay. The next step is squaring on both sides. The final answer is here 100 into h square minus ab equals to a plus b bracket square. Okay. Next, squaring on both sides. On both sides. The next step is 4 square root and square. Let cancel means here value will be h square minus ab upon a plus b bracket square equal to 1 upon 25. So the next step is rearrange the term. 25 multiplied by 4 means 100 into bracket h square minus ab bracket complete equals to 1 into term a plus b bracket square. These are the final answers. Okay. Understand all of you this example. Okay. Next example is find the combined equation of line passing through the origin, each of which making an angle 60 degree with the y-axis. Okay, making an angle with the y-axis here. The auxiliary equation again the y-axis here. Y-axis equals to x-axis here. So here equals to put here y upon x. Which condition? X-axis here. X-axis and y-axis here. Y-axis here. M equals to x upon y. Using this value, putting in auxiliary equation, M equals to value x-axis y upon x and y-axis M equal to x upon y by 2. Okay. So in this equation, let M be the slope of one of the required line. The slope of the y-axis is 0 as required line angle is 60 degree. So these are the basic formula. Tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. So in this example, so m1 means m2 equals to here 0 and theta equals to value 60 degree. Okay. So all these given value put this formula. Therefore, tan 60 degree equals to m1 equals to value is m minus m2 equals to value is slope y-axis is 0 means here put 0 m minus 0 divided by 1 plus m dot 0. The next step is m upon 1 plus m into 0 means 1 to 1 is here tan 60. Root 3 is here. So next step squaring on both sides plus square on both sides. Square on both sides. The next step is 3 equals to m square. Therefore m square minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. M square minus 3 equal to 0. That is m square plus 0 into m minus 3 equal to 0. These are the auxiliary equation. Put. So in this equation, with the angle with 60 degree, which axis? Y-axis. So y-axis. So put here m equals to value with x upon y. So put here m equals to value x upon y in equation. So mention here these are the equation first. Put m equals to x upon y in equation 1. Next step is here, that is m equals to value x upon y bracket square plus 0 into m means 0 minus 3 equals to 0. The next step is x square upon y square minus 3 equal to 0. So in this step base is 1. So base same here. The next step is x square upon y square minus 3 upon 3 y square upon y square equal to 0. The y square, the next step base is same. x square minus 3y square upon y square equal to 0. The next step y square into 0, 0. And last one, therefore the equation is x square minus 3y square equal to 0. These are the combined equation of the lines. Combined equation of the lines. Okay, understand all of you? This way complete these all examples. Okay, the next point is exercise 4.2 complete झालेलं आहे बघा. पेज नंबर सर्वांनी नेक्स्टचा जो पॉईंट आहे जनरल सेकंड डिग्री इक्वेशन इन एक्स अँड वाय, पेज नंबर 124, तो पॉईंट डिलीट झालेला आहे. त्या रिलेटेडचे एक्झाम्पल आहे. सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल पेज नंबर 125, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1, 2, 3. these 3 examples deleted. Okay, but पेज नंबर 127 एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 जे आहे ते आपल्याला आहे तो पार्ट डिलीट झालेला नाही आहे. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4. ओके, सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4. त्याचप्रमाणे बघा एक्झरसाइज 4.3 मधील एक्झाम्पल नंबर 10 सोडून बाकीचे एक्झाम्पल सर्व डिलीट झालेले आहेत. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 10 जे आहे पेज नंबर 128, example number 10, triangle OAB is formed by the line x square minus 4xy plus y square equal to 0 and the line 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Find the equation of the median of the triangle drawn from O. हा क्वेश्चन आहे. तो सिमिलर एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल त्याप्रमाणे कंप्लीट करायचं आहे. ओके, याप्रमाणे हा जो टॉपिक आहे पेअर ऑफ स्टेट लाईन, हा टॉपिक आपला कंप्लीट झालेला आहे. एनी डाऊट वगैरे काय असेल तर विचारायचं आहे आणि सर्वांनी एक्झरसाइज कंप्लीट करून सेंड करायचं आहे. ओके, थँक्यू.